brother. Alright, as usual, I forget to video when I putting stuff back on the car, but I'm gonna start back putting back up all the lines and wires and shit. Water brake booster delete. I put in the clutch reservoir and shit, AC and all the fuckers, and yeah, whatever. It's good to have another car to look back on. Well, I'm hook up tonight, so I guess it just goes back on. So yeah, come back. That you're not running no power steering car. My engine ain't going to bracket fit, so I can't use it anyway. So yeah, don't worry about that. Clutch reservoir, this is the bracket fit, but I don't want it going here. Smoke's finally on the road. Ready? Out in a boat. What the fuck is that? What are those? Civic. That's the other one. 4-door gang. Beezy. Oh, what is that? Empty hole. Beezy. So is she coming along or no? Coming along or no? Out in this hot sun, man. Let's say we're in the jacket.
Pass me the thing on the seat.
Yeah, he put it. Drop down one.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
So why they? Your brake line is currently this is in a Y.
A what?
A Y. Your brake line. Remember, it only has one out, so you gotta turn it to two. The Y, the T, anything. You understand this? Yeah, it's a Y.
I'm gonna say I don't know.
What right now going today? Then this one could take the rest of Harry's. I swap gone, but
Which swap?
my 16 gone. It dusty, bro. You can't be taking picture of dusty stuff.
Yeah, it's a video one. Yeah, this yellow going to get spray over.
Yeah, I had a spray too much. It might be at the time, but
I mean, what next boat?
it dropped out in the shop somewhere. But they just regular both some from Parker's, bro. Oh, where I got them from. The screw on. You see your brake pedal? Don't got the 4 holes inside of it now. So this just goes there. Slide in. Do you know the pin already? This. Alright. And that's it.
Get some bolts of this.
bolt and nut. Where you get this one here from? Right here? In the back,
No, these same ones I'm saying. Alright, so took the brake booster to the lead apart. Got a new, I got a bolt for that. Nuts. We're going to go get a washer. Oh fuck, where I put the washer? Jesus Christ, I think I lost it. But yeah, I'm gonna go find another piece I could fit at the top here, or a T for this. So see how it goes. Alright, so we had some complications, being that brake booster delete came off for American car, a Japanese car, so the bolt patterns were different for the brake lines. We use metric, they use imperial, so we're gonna make our own T. So yeah. Alright, let me switch over to the iPhone now. To some places where I don't want my camera to go, cause yeah, lens not cheap. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? You don't even know. Your fucking hands up here. Alright, so right now, yeah, I'm gonna take out the clutch pedal. Taking off this clutch pedal. With this, I fucking in a spot right, yo. And be people like, brother, you got easier ways of doing that, and blah blah blah. I fat wretching, I'm not skinny, so I don't get down these places here like on the skinny people. So you don't hear nothing. Just no say getting it out. How you get it out? Ah, fuck. Yeah, I literally videoing you through the hole. Look in the hole.
You see the light, man? Bitch. Behave like. I said, I don't know where man come from. Ross, they're gonna pull off it. Alright, come pull off. Pull off your clutch. Pull a line here and you're good.
Alright, come in there. Yeah, this is what we're trying to get. Well, I got it, so. And then. Oh, clutch cylinder, yeah. Or sleeve, clutch sleeve. Or whatever you call it, I fucking don't know. Had to take off all this just for this little piece. All the fucking bolts seized up and shit. But y'all, got it out. Yes, boss, happy camper. Huh? These fuckers. Yo, so it go, but gotta do it for what you want. I'm like, gotta get yo in the farm marina. And then gotta ride home and I doing this, but so it go. We are in this vlog, you know, dipping from the shop. What else? Day over. Walking around with 2 breadfruit. We end the vlog, yeah.